Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to Abdullah channel. So today we are going to see about the enterprise structure in Oracle application. So we are going to see about the common enterprise structure in this video. So first we need to create the enterprise. Second thing we need to create the primary ledger. Then we have to create the legal entity. Then we need to create the business unit. At last we have the inventory organization. So when we talk about the enterprise structure, this is a common structure all the business units are following. So when we talk about the enterprise, so here what we are going to use is here only we can maintain the information. So whatever transaction is there for employee, we are using here. So when we talk about the primary ledger, so here all the financial related transaction will be occur. Financial transaction and also all the sub publication will come into the primary ledger to maintain the profit and loss account. So here the legal entity, so what is the purpose of legal entity in the sense, so legally registration, so for registration purpose we are using this legal entity. So here in business unit all the business transaction will be occur, so it's a main transaction. So like a procure to pay process, order to cash process, all the process will be done by this business unit. So inventory organization in the sense all the warehouse activities and inventory transaction will be take place. So this is how the Oracle Fusion enterprise structure will be done by the every people. So when we talk about the enterprise structure, when we create a enterprise structure, so what it belongs to, this enterprise structure is belong to human resource capital management. So here we need to create the legislative data group, LDG. So what is the purpose of this legislative data group in the sense, so if a company is there for the two countries we have one primary ledger. So for each countries they have separate employee. So to maintain the each employee for a country wise employee, we need to use that legislative data group for the purpose of taking the payroll. So when we do the payroll activities, so this LTG will be help for this HCM application. So when the when you are going to implement any application, this HCM will be take place. So if you are going to subscribe financial transaction or HCM application, so without this, without creating an employee, you cannot do any transaction over there. So when you buy the subscription for any application, this legislative data group and human resource capital will be come into the come along with your application subscription. I'm just going